Hello everybody, myself SAANAVI M. Today we're going to learn about cerebellum. It is a part of a hindbrain. It is located in the posterior cranial fossa underneath the tentorium cerebelli behind the pons and medulla. It is separated from pons and medulla by a cavity of fourth ventricle. It is identified by numerous fissures and folia. Now coming to the external features of the cerebellum, we have two surfaces, the superior surface and the inferior surface. The superior surface is continuous with each other through a worm-like structure called the vermis. It separates the two cerebellar hemispheres. In the inferior surface, we have a groove-like structure called the vallicula. Now coming to the lobes of the cerebellum, we have three lobes, the anterior lobe, posterior or the middle lobe and the flocculonodular lobe, and we have three fissures, the primary fissure, posterolateral fissure and the horizontal fissure. The primary fissure divides the anterior lobe from the posterior lobe. The horizontal fissure divides the superior surface from the inferior surface, and the posterolateral fissure divides the flocculonodular lobe from the rest of the cerebellum. In white matter, we have masses of grey matter called deep cerebellar nuclei. These are dentate nucleus, which is connected to the red nucleus, nucleus interpositus, which includes emboliform nucleus and globus nucleus, which are connected to red nucleus and thalamus, and vestigial nucleus, which is connected to vestibular nuclei. The afferent and efferent fibers of the cerebellum are grouped together on each side into three large bundles called cerebellar peduncles. The superior cerebellar peduncle connects the cerebellum to the midbrain, the middle cerebellar peduncle to the pons, and the inferior cerebellar peduncle to the medulla oblongata. The afferent and efferent fibers passing through the cerebellar peduncles are summarized in the table. The cerebellum is supplied by three pairs of cerebellar arteries. Superior cerebellar artery, it is a branch of basilar artery. Anterior inferior cerebellar artery, it is a branch of basilar artery. And posterior inferior cerebellar artery, it is a branch of vertebral artery.